Book of Heaven, Volume 12, December 18th, 1920. Requital of love and of thanksgiving for all that God operated in the celestial Mama. I was all afflicted without my Jesus, and while I was praying, I felt him near me, saying to me,
"Ah, my daughter, things get worse. It will enter like whirlwind to shake everything. It will reign for the time of a whirlwind, and it will end as the whirlwind ends. The Italian government lacks the ground under its feet and does not know where to turn to. Justice of God."
After this, I felt I was outside of myself, and I found myself together with my sweet Jesus, but so clasped with him and he with me, that I almost could not see his divine person. And I don't know how, said, "My sweet Jesus, while I am clasped to you, I want to attest to you my love, my gratitude, and everything that the creature has the duty to do, because you have created our Immaculate Queen Mama, the most beautiful, the holiest, and a portent of grace, enriching her with all gifts, and making her also our mother. And this I do in the name of creatures past, present, and future. I want to seize in flight each active creature, word, thought, heartbeat, and step, and in each of them tell you that I love you, I thank you, I bless you, I adore you, for all that you have done for my celestial Mama and yours." Jesus enjoyed my act, but so much that he said to me,
"My daughter, I was anxiously awaiting this act of yours in the name of all generations. My justice, my love, felt the need of this requital, because great are the graces that descend upon all, for having so enriched my Mama. Yet they never have a word, a thank you, to say to me."
Another day I was saying to my lovable Jesus, everything is over for me, suffering, visits of Jesus, everything. And he immediately,
"Have you perhaps stopped loving me or doing my will?
and I know may this never be.
If this is not there, nothing is over."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.